Smells wonderful, dear.
Almost ready. Your vegetables will make it perfect.
Such a lovely day to be inside.
Indeed, this tea is perfect for the weather.
Can I have another cookie?
Once upon a time,
Wow.
there was a quiet forest.
It smells wonderful.
Almost ready, dear.
A perfect team. Here you go, son.
Thank you, Grandpa.
The water's still warm.
I'll get it nice and dry.
I'll put it away.